Established in 2003, Nirma University is a private university in Ahmedabad. It is a research-oriented, student-centric, and a multidisciplinary university. With multiple courses offered, the Institute of Architecture and Planning is one of the youngest branches added to the university. Located within the lush green campus, the institute offers an undergraduate course, integrated masters, and a doctorate course in the field of architecture and planning.
The Institute of Architecture and Planning at Nirma University was started in 2014. I was invited to start this program with an idea that we bring in the field of creativity to the Nirma University, which is more known for engineering, management, law, and other kinds of skills, and which have totally freedom to really start a new program in terms of resources. It's an idea that it will become one of the best schools of architecture and planning in India. And with this, we started this program, and we had roped in galaxy of experts who are available in Ahmedabad and all over the world to build up this program.
The course is a unique experience for every student. The students are exposed to new working environments where they get to know the courses better and interact with their fellow mates. As studios expand into the courtyards, one tries to find a small part of home in this new environment. The values of learning by observing and doing is experienced by the students while working in the wood workshop. Making models and doing experiments with different materials gives a new exposure and enhances the skills of an individual at a different level. Hands-on work and building 1:1 scale models gives the students a glimpse of the practical field. The students inculcate the motto of the institute, learning by doing. This also marks a change in the skills one learns, going from hand skills to working on a computer. Using softwares and various tools like laser cutting makes it easy to fall into odd habits of working late and not sleeping. The lessons learned from experienced expert faculties, jurors, along with guest lecturers in the auditorium broaden the horizon for every student. From making installations in Kalp to giving presentation for juries, each step gives a new perspective of learning to the students. Learning from each other during the various research study programs, studio trips, along with electives like graffiti, photography, filmmaking, and graphic design is what students enjoy the most. A few more cups of chai for the working drawing semester, wrapping up third year in time. You think you know how things are done, but the last 2 years are going to bring new twists and turns. These are the most enjoyable months in terms of learning, growing, and getting to know oneself. And with all those memories from the institute, students part ways when they all go for work experience. They get to know more about what they like in the field. 6 months in a new place teaches them new ways to think and work, and it guides their way forward. Returning from the internship, the final year is full of emotions. From the dilemma of selection of thesis to the happiness of graduation. This year, the students spend most of their time in the library and discussing their projects personally with the faculties.
So we started with a Bachelor of Architecture program for 5-year duration. And shortly, within the next year, we followed it to a PhD program in architecture and also started the bachelor program in urban planning. And we built up our reputation very fast. In the second year itself, our intake we increased from 40 to 80 because there was a heavy demand for quality education of architecture. And we built up whole our curriculum based on principle of learning by doing. A lot of FACs studio work. Then slowly we also build up, people started working on live project documentation. And we also build up, after third year, people getting exposure to various specialized fields in terms of urban design, landscape urbanism, urban planning, building construction, etc., etc. And we build up collaboration all over the world in terms of student exchange and people coming abroad to study here, our students going there. And now we build up a base, international base, where we also have set up a center of excellence in the field of smart cities along with certain universities. And meanwhile, now our School of Architecture is going upswing and it's already very well known in Gujarat and very soon probably will be one of the top few institutes in India. And we are already beginning to be known globally because of our excellent work done by our students.
The courtyards, the festivals, the celebrations, and the learnings will always be remembered as memories by each student. The institute is part of a larger whole but maintains its own identity as a distinct character.